Hello my dear learners. So we are here with next question. This question is also from GATE. So first of all I'll read the question for you and we'll start solving the problem. Okay. So now first of all I'll read. A small steam vessel perfectly insulated and doing no shaft work causes a drop of 0.8 kilojoule per kg in enthalpy of steam from entry to exit. The kinetic energy of the steam at entry is negligible. The velocity of the steam at exit is, four options are given and you have to solve it. Okay. So first of all I'll draw some picture for you. Okay. So that you can analyze the problem. Now suppose this is the vessel. Okay. So suppose I'll consider this as entry and I'll consider this as exit. Okay. Entry position I will consider as position 1. Exit position I will consider as position 2. Okay. This is our entry, this is our exit. Okay. Steam has to flow in this direction. This is the steam, it has to flow in this direction. This is our entry, this is our exit. Okay. Now it is given that the vessel is perfectly insulated. What is the meaning of this? Insulation. Insulation means from the boundary of the vessel no heat can cross. Okay, so Q should be 0. Okay, because it is insulated, no heat can cross the boundary of the vessel. Okay. Now next part, doing no shaft work. There is no shaft work in this vessel. Okay, so therefore W will be 0. Okay, Q will be 0, W will be 0. Okay. Causes a drop of enthalpy. When the steam is traveling from entry to exit, there is a drop of enthalpy. Okay, of steam from entry to exit. The kinetic energy of the steam at entry is negligible. See, this is the entry position. Okay, here the kinetic energy, suppose V1 I will consider as kinetic energy of entry, it is 0. Okay, V1 is 0 because it is mentioned. Now we have to calculate the velocity of steam at exit. What is this? Solution. We have to calculate V2. Okay, what is the value of V2? So now how to solve this problem? See, this problem is very easy. Just you have to apply SFEE. What is that? Steady flow energy equation. Okay, see here. SFEE. What is this? Steady flow energy equation. Just apply it, you will get the answer. See, what is that? Steady flow SFE H1 plus V1 square by 2 plus Z1G plus Q is equal to H2 plus V2 square by 2 plus Z2G plus W. Okay, we have to apply it. Now see, there is nothing given about the position of this vessel. No, in question nothing is mentioned about the position. So we will consider that the vessel is horizontal. Okay, because nothing is mentioned. So if vessel is horizontal, this Z1G and Z2G will cancel. Okay, you can cancel it. It will become 0. It will become 0. Okay, both sides will get cancelled. Okay, now one more thing. Q is 0, no, because the vessel is insulated. So this will also become 0. Okay, W, it is 0. So this will also become 0. Okay, now see, all the things are vanished. No, one more thing. V1 is also 0. No, V1. See, first of all I will create some, because okay. Now V1 is also, where is V1? If this is 0, 0 by 2 is again 0. So this is also gone. So what is left? H1 is left. H1 is left. Here H2 is left. Here V2 square by 2 is left. only these three things, put the value, you'll get the answer. We'll do one thing, we'll shift this h2 this side. Okay, h1 minus h2 is equal to v2 square by 2. We can do this. Okay, now see here, drop in enthalpy. How much is the drop in enthalpy? It is directly given. See here, this value. Okay, this value is 0.8 kilojoule per kg. So 0.8, okay, kilo is there. So we have to multiply with 10 to the power 3. Okay, understood? Now we will shift this to this side. Okay, shift it. Okay, is equal to v2. And one more thing, root square is there, no? This square will shift this side, so it will become root. Okay, so finally your v2 will come how much? When you will calculate this, you will get 40 meter per second. Okay, this calculation you can do easily. Understood? So in this way we can solve this problem. Okay, if any doubt is there, just comment it, I'll answer your questions, queries. Okay, so in this way we can solve this problem. Okay, so I hope you understood the problem. So in this way we will conclude. Okay, so see you in next video. Okay, bye.